Here we have the all-new Giottiline Compact C60. This is a 2.2 Peugeot diesel 140 brake horsepower. This is the 2023 model, just arrived with us in stock today. And it's a fantastic little 3-berth, 4 belts motorhome with quite a large garage in the back as well. Let's take a look inside. So as we enter the cab, we are immediately presented with the dinette along with the 2 belted front facing seats. We can see the wonderfully Giottiline embossed semi-leather interior captain swivel seats with a panoramic skylight to the roof. And as we come round to the back of this wonderful compact, we have the kitchenette fitted with a 2-ring burner, sink, and underneath we have the fridge and freezer box. Plenty of storage underneath the sink as well, with additional storage and your cutlery tray with wonderful soft closing doors and some additional at the rear as well. We also have here the foldable steps, along with access to some garage storage, locker at the back. And these take you up into the transverse fixed bed at the rear, again with roof light, plenty of lighting and overbed storage. And just to the offside we have your wardrobe, and some additional space at the bottom. And then finally we have this very cleverly designed toilet and shower room, Thetford cassette toilet with some storage space, skylight, sink basin, mirror. And then what we like about this is its clever design, wrap around to open up the shower room. So as you can see, this is a wonderful 5-metre, just under 6 metres, 5.99 metre long compact motorhome from Giottiline, which is made part of the Rapido Group. This is a wonderful 2023 model. Give us a like at the bottom of this feed. Click subscribe to find all our latest Giottilines that we've got here at YourStyle Leisure. And give us a call, visit our website, YourStyleLeisure.co.uk to explore our range in further details. And when we're ready to settle down at night, the front dinette converts into this wonderful extra additional berth. As we can see, as we enter the rear garage, we've got access to a very large rear end garage. Great to put all that extra luggage, even a couple of e-bikes that you can store away in here. Into the cupboards, we've got some additional through storage for the back. Access to the boiler and the heating system. And through the other side, some additional storage shelving units too.